Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic of discussion is internal structure of Earth. So let's start. Earth is divided into three main layers that are crust, mantle and core. We will discuss briefly about these layers in this lecture. First we talk about the crust. You can see in the picture, crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Its composition mainly granitic or maybe basaltic, depend upon the type of crust. From here, we can learn the different types of crust. Crust is divided into oceanic and continental crust. Oceanic crust is more denser but less thick than the continental crust. Continental crust is more thick but less dense. Another difference between continental and oceanic crust is the composition. Oceanic crust has basaltic composition, whereas the continental crust has granitic composition. So, this is the main difference between the types of crust. The second layer is the mantle that lies just below the crust. Mantle is the largest layer and the important layer in geology because the molten material which is responsible for the movement of plate tectonics forms in the mantle. The thickness of mantle is 2900 kilometer and the thickness of crust is usually 0 to 70 or maybe 100 kilometer. But in the case of oceanic crust the thickness is less. So the mantle is divided into two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. You can see in the picture the both parts. The third layer is core. Core is the thickest layer of the earth. Its thickness uh, varies between outer and inner core. It is divided into outer and inner core, and the thickness of outer and inner core is different. Like outer core is of thickness 2200 kilometer, whereas the thickness of inner core is 1250 kilometer. So this is the thickest layer of the earth. The composition of the core usually iron and nickel, and it makes one third of the earth mass. The core is very hot. In the outer core, the composition usually in liquid form, and the outer core, the inner core is solid, which has a large temperature, high temperature, and pressure in the inner core, which squeeze the metals together, and that's why the inner core is in solid form. You can see in the picture both layers of the core. Here I insert the picture to explain the earth layer and give the example from the daily life. You can see the egg and the earth. We compare the egg with the earth to understand the layers. You can see in the picture the shell of the egg represents the crust of the earth, and similarly the white portion of boiled egg represents the mantle, and the yolk represents the core. So this is the easy picture to understand the layers of the earth. Then I want to explain the discontinuities which is very important to know in relation with the earth layers. So what are these? The discontinuity between the upper part of the crust and the lower part of the crust is called Conrad discontinuity, and the discontinuity between the crust and the mantle is Moho discontinuity, and between the upper and lower mantle is Repetti discontinuity. Similarly, between the lower mantle and the outer core is Gutenberg discontinuity, and between the inner and outer core is Lehman discontinuity. These are the main discontinuities which divides the earth layer uh, into different portion. This is the brief introduction of earth layers and discontinuities which are associated with the uh, earth layers. The other layers are lithosphere, asthenosphere, and mesosphere, which are mechanical layers of Earth, and they can be discussed with them. So, hope you enjoy the lecture. Thanks for watching.